My brother, if you clicked on this video, I assume that your business is not going the way that you want it to go. But why is that is the real question. Is it because you always dream too big, or is it because deep down you still don't believe in yourself that you can actually do it? Well, in today's video, bro, I'm gonna break down the real truth why most people around the world can never achieve their goals and show you how you can remove your fake stories, beliefs, and fears that are preventing you to claim success for yourself. And by the end of this video, bro, you'll know how to transform yourself into the person who can simply claim success no matter how big he dreams. So let's get straight into it. Now we're at the beginning of a new year and everyone has big goals, big expectations, but the reality, most of you will have that goal in mind, and then when it will seem possible to reach it, you'll just give up on yourself and you will settle for a smaller goal, so that you still feel proud of yourself when you actually achieve it. But the truth, my guys, it doesn't have to be like this. It really doesn't have to be like this, because everything in this world is possible. Every car, every house, every even girl that you're dreaming about, everything is possible. But the key is that you have to believe in yourself, that you can actually claim it and make it for yourself. But the harsh truth is that if you don't have it, is because you still have some fears that are preventing you to actually claim the life that you're dreaming about. Whether it's working extra hours, posting content for yourself, making more cold calls, the truth is, all of you guys out there, you exactly know what you have to do. You exactly know what is needed to do to get you to the next step. But the real question is, why are you not doing the thing that will actually get you the results? Like, have you ever asked yourself this? Why are you actually not doing the only thing that will get you the results? Well, the truth is, you don't do it because you don't see yourself as a guy who can actually achieve all of this. And truly ask yourself this: do you every day act like a guy, who has the Porsche, the Bugatti, the villa, the 10 out of 10 Victoria's Secret model? Like, do you truly act like that guy every single day? Like, no matter what, when you wake up, in everything that you do? Or do you act like a guy who has an iPhone? Do you act like a guy who is making just enough money so that he's comfortable, but not truly satisfied? And probably you are acting like that guy. And the key principle that you have to understand that you don't get what you want, you get who you are. So in order to get the life that you're always dreaming about, you first have to become that guy who is even able to get it. You have to train like that guy, think like that guy, act like that guy, wake up like that guy. You have to become that guy in all areas of your life. And I know that all of you are working hard, like truly all of you are working hard, because otherwise you wouldn't even be like watching this video right now, because you're searching this kind of content. But the difference is what you're working on and what you believe that this work is actually going to bring you. This is the real difference. Because what I want to ask you guys, like, you have to observe yourself, What are you actually expecting from yourself? Are you expecting success or expecting failure? Do you believe that you're gonna achieve all of your goals, or do you just hope to reach them? Because if you don't yet believe in yourself, like, it's nothing wrong with that. It's surely nothing wrong with that if yet you don't believe in yourself. But you have to understand that the 3D world, it's only a reflection of who you are internally. All of you guys try to change the outside. You try to get the money to you, the villas, like, you only try to change the external stuff, but you first have to change internally. Let me show it. Like, let me prove it to you. Whenever you guys are in a bad mood, whenever you're angry, something is stressing you out, how does everything outside work? Your business is not going the way that it should be. When you go to the gym, you're not training like you want to be training. You don't have motivation. Probably when you walk, you hit yourself in the foot. Everything makes even worse. Like, because you are not right inside. But do you guys think about those days whenever, like, when you wake up and you're just in the flow? You wake up, you do your meditation, you read. When you start working on your business, like, everything is going exactly as it should be going, because inside you have peace, you have flow, you have the right energy, you're on the right frequency to actually, get the work done. And this is why I'm constantly telling you guys, stop trying to change the external world. Change internally and the external will follow. Because the truth is, people don't fully commit not because they don't know what to do. Is because they have doubts, and then those doubts are manifesting in your external reality. Just truly think about yourself. What doubts do you constantly have? Whether it's not being able to close a sale, not being able to scale your business, and then those doubts are playing out in your reality, because your internal world is only a reflection of what, like, external world is only a reflection of who you are internally. And the truth is, guys, we all have some fake stories for ourselves. You all have created opinion on why you're not there yet. Yeah, you know, it's too hard for you, you know, that you have to struggle instead of just claim success. Yeah, I'm new in this like game, I cannot achieve success so quickly. Like, guys, these are your own stories. You have to question yourself, who told you these stories? Where did you learn all of this crap? Because those stories are then manifesting in your external world. So in order to change your external world, you first have to remove those stories, because otherwise you won't move anywhere. But the key question is, guys, that most of you never ask of, what is that thing that you're afraid of? What is that thing that is triggering you, but you're afraid to face it? Truly, what is that thing that you're afraid of, guys? And it's nothing wrong with being afraid of something, but you have to understand, until you don't remove it, you won't be able to move anywhere. And I want that you go deep in the pain, like follow the pain, because what most of us do, you know, whenever we have something painful, like we just want to push it on the side. We don't want to go actually deep with it. But this is the mistake, because if you want to really figure out what has been preventing you to achieve success, you have to follow the pain. You have to go deep. Don't take the first thing that pops up. Like, really go the pain and face the pain that has been holding you back. Because most of you, like, guys, you don't take responsibility. Like, you have to stop pointing arrows to everyone around you, and you have to start pointing them towards yourself, because only you are responsible for your life. Only you have brought yourself to this position of where you're right now. If you have some stories that are holding you back, it's because you haven't decided to overcome those stories. If you still doubt in yourself, it's because you haven't gotten deep enough and figure out where the doubt is coming from. You are exactly where you brought yourself, guys. So you have to take responsibility for your actions. If you're not closing enough sales, it's probably because you haven't studied enough sales, you haven't practiced enough mock calls. It's because of you, bro. It's not because your teacher, your mom, anyone around you. It's because of you. And if I am triggering you right now, perfect. Because this is the thing that has been holding you back, but you don't want to face it. You don't want to actually go deep within it. But until you don't figure out those stuff, bro, you're not gonna move. So what I want you to understand, like, take ownership of your life. Truly take ownership of your life, because this is the only way that you guys will be able to move forward. Because the truth is, everything, guys, that you're dreaming about, like all the, like I said, the houses, the cars, the girls, like the watches, everything is already out there waiting for you. Everything is already out there. It's already yours, but you have not yet decided to claim it. And you won't be able to claim it until you don't believe in yourself that you can actually achieve it. So start working on yourself, bro. Figure out what are those key points that are preventing you, what doubts are still like holding you back. Because only you are responsible for your life, so you have to take responsibility. But my bro, if you watch this video till this point, I want that you start taking action based on that. I don't want that you watch this video and then just go to the next one. Like, rewatch it, because it's statistically shown that people have to watch something 5 times before they actually understand it. It's not because it's my video, I honestly don't care about that. It's because I wanted those principles like really stuck in your memory, that you start to understand them. So start removing the things that are like painful to you, that you don't want to face, and then you'll see that your life is actually going to start to change. But my brother, if this video resonated with you, make sure that you click the like and subscribe button, you know, because I'm constantly posting stuff like this. I'm being real with you. I'm not telling you about some stuff that I'm not implementing myself. But yeah, my bro, start working, start implementing, because you are the only asset in this world. You are the business. If you collapse, your business is gonna collapse. But yeah, my brother, focus on what truly matters, and as always, you're not alone in this, and I'm here to support you. God bless you, my brother.